Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Al from Zain Group. I'm representing the Catalyst project, Autonomous Network Empower Distinctive Experience for Cognitive Network. Operators are facing a transformation from legacy network to cognitive network and are gradually evolved from manual methods to new technologies such as AI and digital twins. And according to TMF reports that 91% of CSPs have a vision and a strategy for automation, network automation. So we believe that autonomous network is a must for CSP's transformation. The latest TM Forum Autonomous Network Survey report shows that the top driver for the autonomous network is to improve the customer experience. And we believe that the operational experience and network experience are equally important as well. And that's why this Catalyst project is focusing on level 3 and level 4 autonomous network innovation practices to achieve the self-X and zero X goals and vision. The impacts on the network from packet loss, long delay, long fault detection, long recovery time seriously impacted the customer experience and loss of business advantages. This problem is more serious in the 2B domain, and as the network scale grows, the OPEX and the customer churn rate will increase more and more. That's why we are focusing to implement a series of use case innovations in the different network domains to enable the cognitive network transformation, like mobile broadband compliance handling, radio, remote repair, intelligence IP network, intelligent incidents, IP plus optical network maintenance, core intelligent DR assistance. The main idea from these use cases is to bring intelligence to the network and operation, to free links from congestion, and to support the fault self-healing capabilities to benefit the to C and to B users. We will verify the great advantages of the autonomous network for legacy carriers. We will learn from and will work with the industry leading carriers to define our future network automation standards and contribute our practices to the industry. And we hope that our exploration will inspire you and continue work together to bring better experience for end customer.